This Pontiac is as kicky as its name. Trans Am. It has a certain kind of magic that makes it unique. Classic sports car styling, the heritage of that special Pontiac performance. Of course, all 1980 Pontiac Firebirds are performers, and each has its own special magic. The sleek gracefulness of Esprit, the sophisticated sportiness of Formula, and the dynamic mystique of Trans Am, pure Pontiac. Inside and out. Performance is what Firebird is all about. And Pontiac offers a variety of engine transmission combinations, including this year's introduction of a turbocharged V8 for either the Trans Am or Formula. It's a simple formula that can create dynamite. Intricately engineered suspension systems offer impressive ride and handling. It's a walk on the wild side, tamed to order. Graceful, fluid, and completely at ease. Superbly comfortable. A sheer pleasure to drive. The 1980 Pontiac Firebirds, made for those who lead a full and busy life.